Welcome, Panda-Frog. Today I bring you the Soul 25mm series 2500. So let's get picking. It's again nice brass, everything. Keyboard is pretty open, and the key is again a 3-pinner, not too hard. So let's see. Switch up the tension really quick. Well, that was fast again. Like this is Soul 20. I think I'm missing. No, the Soul 20 I'm missing. I don't have a Soul 20. But I need to get one. Because you wanna pick every Soul. Alright, let's do a speed pick. Just for the record. Can I put it like this? Yeah, that don't work. That doesn't work good. But let's do it like we did before. Okay, I need to turn the lock a little so you see better what I'm doing. Shackle is visible. Well, that was the Soul number 2500 25mm. Not a big challenge. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.